I just wanted to point out one thing that was confusing to me in the manual. It talks about as far as charging, which is what you want to do before you even start using this thing. And there's a thing that says Model 1, Model 2. In Model 1, you can charge directly on the battery attached to the vacuum cleaner. And Model 2, it says to take the battery off and you can charge it that way. I'm a little confused because I don't know what Model 1, Model 2 is. There's nowhere on that. So I'm suspecting that this means Mode 1 and Mode 2. You have two ways of charging. One, you could charge whether the battery's attached and when it's unattached. And so in this case, I have it attached, and it's showing the indicator as far as where the charging level's at. There's also, though, an LED light, so there's red that it's still charging, and those are indicated as far as in the instructions too. So I suspect you can charge.
Everything works very well. I'm very happy with my bridge cake.